golfers had to take cover during the final round of the New Zealand Women's Open on Sunday, when strong rain and winds made the course unplayable. And one of them, 54-hole leader mozo, had to dodge flying signs before play was called off for good. Putting on the 7th hole, mozo and others in her group had to scramble when signs started flying across the green. Mozo vented to an official after the round, which you can see here, saying, "We are going to get hurt by a stupid sign. This tour, we're like sheep." Mozo later tweeted a link to the New Zealand Herald story, saying, "At lpga is a tour where players don't have a say or a voice." Play was officially suspended for the day at 5:16 p.m. local time and will resume Monday morning. Brooke Henderson leads at 17 under through 6 holes, and Brittany Lincecum and mozo are tied at 13 under through 6. https://cohcw2l0.gov. At lpga is a tour where players don't have a say or a voice. Like I say, we are like sheeps. Mozo at Mozo, October 1, 2017.